Bone Concert Girls hatabiye n'umudaro gwa Silver mu mpaka zihanga kandi abaraviro kujwekera Uganda mu mpaka za East Africa bongira manu mu kuronde ntarantento. Aba batebekanisize habeje mizano mundo mu ishomero aho bazana barakuzanda timu y'ishomero batikirizibwe kuzana okwenda kwerezo mu gishe ntarantento ecyo mukuru w'ebye mizana y'ishomero Primus Ngabira nagizire ngo kiba yambere ubwire bwinji.
Twaba discovering harimo abana bato basinya 1 sinya 2 kandi bakumanya mupira kwe tutakubamanya ko ngatwafuna chance yo discovering kamanya talents zabo.
Omumpakeze zibezera umwe umupira gw'ebigere okubaka volleyball scrabble hamwe no kwirukanga. St Francis Singiro kwirukanga, Mama Bruno yasingo kubaka, St Augustine yasingo mu volleyball, St Therese Singiro mpira kandi St Ignatius yasinga scrabble. Rero St Therese yasinga byona hamwe nuko kwebwe chikope chango.
Who tried their level best, some fell when they were going to run, others they at the volleyball, but take it easy.
We applaud of you, and we would request everyone who is here to maintain the spirit of Bone Concert. Bone Concert has raised the flag of Isinjo district higher.
House here is St. Francis.
Abasingire bahirwe biconje hagati yo kujaguza. Aba TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.